Good day everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're making delicious kimchi, a Korean dish that's crunchy in texture, vibrant in color, and bursting with flavors you absolutely love. It's a fantastic side dish for almost any meal. But before we dive in, if you're enjoying the content, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps keep me motivated to create more recipes like this. Thank you so much. Here's a fun fact. There are over 200 types of kimchi in Korea. Each region and season brings its own twist to this beloved dish. Now let's get started with today's recipe. Here's what you need. 4 pounds of green radish. This type gives a crunchier texture compared to other radishes. 5 stalks of green onion. 6 cloves of garlic. 15 grams of ginger root. 2/3 cup of Korean red pepper powder. Adjust to your spice level. 1/4 cup of fish sauce. I prefer the 3 crabs branch for the best flavor, but any kind would work. Kosher salt and sugar. Let's prep the radish first. Peel the skin, rinse with cool water, and cut into cubes. Larger cubes take longer to ferment, but give that extra crunch. Place the cubes in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of Kosher salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well to combine. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Give it a toss every 10 minutes, 3 times in total. This ensures even coating so that radish releases its juice, making it more flavorful during fermentation. While waiting, cut the green onions into 2 cm or 1 inch segments. Peel and mince the ginger. Do the same for the garlic. Remove the skin and chop finely. After 30 minutes, you notice juice collected at the bottom of the bowl. Pour this juice into a separate bowl. We'll need it shortly. Add the minced ginger, garlic, and chopped green onion into the radish. Give it a toss. Then sprinkle in the red pepper powder and drizzle the fish sauce. Finally, add about 1/3 cup or 80 milliliter of the extracted radish juice. This helps mix everything smoothly. Stir well to ensure the seasonings are evenly distributed. Now, transfer the radish kimchi into a clean, airtight jar or container. Lightly press down to remove air pockets. This helps the fermentation process. Important tip: don't fill the jar to the very top. Leave some space for expansion during the fermentation or it might leak. Kimchi isn't just tasty, it's also packed with probiotics that support gut health and boost your immune system. A superfood with a kick. Let the radish kimchi ferment at room temperature for 4 to 5 days. After that, store it in the fridge where it will keep for 3 to 4 weeks. The flavor will continue to develop over time. And there you have it, Korean kimchi, delicious and crunchy. It's so good on its own or as a side dish with a grilled meats or barbecue. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Until next time, keep that good appetite and you won't be disappointed. Bye for now.